everybody, my name's John Hall from Hall's Wholesale Meat in Middlesbrough. So I'm just going to quickly, these are chain off fillet steaks, best British beef, locally sourced. So I'm going to show you, because we do sell them whole to a lot of people like this, and they're not butchers but they're quite easily done, taking this little bit of gristle off here. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you can just get you must have a nice sharp knife, and you just pull down from one side there, and then you're going to get the tip of the knife, get underneath, peel it back, and then when you take this off, it's like a scraping motion. I'm not actually cutting into the meat, I'm using the back of the knife and then just scraping down this thin piece of gristle here. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, as long as you have a good idea. And just, you can see it there. So keep a bit of tension on that gristle there, and just pull it back. Cut through, back of the knife, and just scrape it this way like this. So I'm not actually cutting into it. Very, very easy. It takes a little bit of practice, and there it is. So that's that bit there. Just throw that away. That's off. Inside here, there's a little bit of fat content. So if you like a little bit of fat on your steaks, you could leave this in. But most people these days, they like to see this taken off. So it's very superficial. Just using your tip of the knife. That. So underneath is a little bit more hidden away as well. This is very superficial, that'll come off dead easy. And there's this bit here that I like taking off. It's sort of hidden underneath, just that there. This is the attention to detail we do here at Hall's, just that little tiny bit, sometimes a bit thicker than that. So we also remove that. And these are superb fillets. And that's more or less it. Sometimes you get a little bit of fat covering here and just pull that off. But isn't that simple? There. These little bits, just remove this way. Now that's how easy it is. But what a difference it makes in the eating quality when you come to cook your steaks. And then, you know, through there, 8-ounce steaks, dead easy to do, straight through, all the way along. Now see this end here, this is the tail end. So you're not going to get a nice round steak off the end, but if I was to take that off there, that still eats exactly the same as the best part up there. It's just a different shape. So that's how you do a fillet steak, everybody. Hall's Wholesale Meats in Middlesbrough. Look us up. See you later, everyone.